Hi, what's up guy? Come to Sunday again. Come to the end of May 31st now. 2 more days, we're going back to work. This is incense. Why? Because my boss still asking me go back to work even on Sunday. You guess what I'm answering? I say, sorry, I can't. Wait for Tuesday. If not, I also cannot do the sharing with you today. So sometimes we got to find our side hustle rather than all depend on the work. Alright, after start working, I will still find the time to make my this contents to continue go on for my successful journey in my trading, to sharing with everybody. So let's go guys. So first of all is SGD JPY for this week. Okay, so SGD JPY for the intra charges still the same, 0.627. Okay, let's move to the weekly chart first. So weekly chart, you can see it's been bullish crossover. So next week will be confirmation. Okay, you can see here the interesting is that this and true insight for the GMMA group with the green candlestick body now here. Okay, in terms of the monthly correlations, this week USD CAD had been shift to the downtrend. So in terms of correlation wise, majority is correlation in order. Yeah, you can see that Euro USD, USD JPY, this one is positive, 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 then USD negative, 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 positive. Okay, so for the weekly MACD, yeah, it's a revert up, still the same like last week. Okay, then for the daily MACD, now you can see the short term group GMMA into the major term group. Yeah, so candlestick have ensured all the way up the long term GMMA line. This is a GMM line. Yeah, then close higher above the line here. So this is a good sign for the positive. Then for the long term sign, is still in the downtrend. Okay, come to the second one, it's the CHF SGD. Okay, for this week, for the intra charges, interest earned is still the same, 0.0182, which is very slightly. So let's look at the weekly chart. So for the weekly chart, yeah, this counter also I still haven't have any action on that. Yeah, because this is, you can see this one is a minor crossover here and retrace back. This is considered is a dodgy, cross over the previous highest and retrace back to the resistance level. This is a resistance level. For the monthly correlation, yeah, so 75% all in order except the GBP USD. Okay, then for this weekly MACD, yeah, with the MACD, the MACD now is a second trend bar. Okay, it's a fourth trend bar and continue with the trend. So MACD still the same, continue with the trend for the weekly. Then go to the daily chart, have a look. So daily chart is the more excited for this MACD now in this positive higher region, and candlestick you can see is a retrace back from this resistance. Majority resistance is more than higher than this, so is more momentum compared to this. Yeah, then he retraced back with the doji. MACD line now is in the positive region. Okay, so for the short term, you can see this one, the long term group and the short term group is getting more interface here. Okay, then still the same now. For this this CHF SGD, you can see is already break through the higher high now. USD is like neither here or there, it's like not down, not high, but now it's already break through the higher here. Okay, so in terms of the long GMMA trend in the long term is still in the positive trend now. Okay, let's move to the third one. Third one is CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF, have a look for in weekly charges. Weekly charges, oh sorry, it's a weekly earn. The weekly earn have been reduced to 0.1903% now. So in term on the weekly chart CAD CHF, you can see there's a candlestick big through the top line here. Okay, and the short term group and retrace back again. They already break through the short term group. This is short term group, and retrace back again. Then now the trend is still the same. Okay, so you can see here is a green hammer within the previous lap candlestick here. Alright, let's see what will happen soon. Yeah, then for the monthly correlations, yeah, is correlations in order is 75%. Only the GBP USD is negative. Yeah, so the rest all in order. For this weekly MACD, yeah, you can see this is the first MACD positive chart here, and the MACD line is crossed over here, so this is a good sign. Alright, okay, in terms of the daily chart, you can see this MACD, the bar chart, positive higher region now here, and also cross over the previous highest. It's already go bypass few highest point until here, and this short-term group and through out the long-term group now and retrace back partially again. So for GMMA, yeah, is still in the downtrend. Okay, alright, let's move forward. CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY, let's have a look for the intra charges. The intra charges have been increased to 0.4185% now. Okay, have a look on the weekly chart. So weekly chart, then you can see this green bullish candlestick close higher than and also then this short-term group. Yeah, this also is a bullish crossover. Yeah, it's already confirmed actually, this bullish. Then okay, so let's have a look for the correlations. Correlation, yeah, is still the same with other. So this 75% in order except GBP USD. Okay, for this weekly MACD, let's look on it. So this still continue turning up. Yeah, and for this daily MACD, okay, so daily MACD, so this week is more actions, the MACD chart and positive higher region here. Okay, sorry, it's here, positive higher region here. Then the line cross over to positive region, the second. Then MACD line continue to rest further higher. Last week is here, this week is continue getting higher. Okay, in terms of this GMMA long term is still in downtrend. Okay, and alright, so okay, let's move on. I think this is the last one, if I'm not wrong. Okay, yeah, so this the last is a GPP JPY. Have a look on the interest charges have been increased to 0.5253. Alright, then for the weekly chart, okay, weekly chart, you can see is a bullish crossover here, but haven't confirmed yet. Have to look on next coming week. Okay, then green candlestick encroach back to GMMA line. Yeah, green can encroach back to GMMA line partially. So last week have been going down, so this week encroach back partially here. Okay, then monthly correlations, yeah, same the other 75% in order correlation except GBP USD. And this weekly MACD, you can see it's like recover back with the short-term bar, yeah, from since last week. Yeah, so this is the second week now. Alright, then for the daily chart, okay, the MACD turning to the minimum positive region. Then the last candlestick have further break through the resistance level here. Okay, then daily candlestick, you can see this end through into the long-term group here again now. Okay, alright, so for the GMMA trend is still the downtrend now. Okay, alright, that's all for this week for the review for my counter. Actually, I have been close up some counter, yeah, and not longer have any position at this moment. Example like this CAD CHF and this CAD JPY, yeah, these two. So overall, that this week I am making for this portion of profit, I think it's about 400 So overall the profit now is generated is 1721.18. For the interest charges, that is 39.54. okay, so guys, yeah, this is my weekly review. So I hope you guys enjoy and also can get some benefit from my sharing if you are watching right now. Alright, so I see you again. Alright, if you are working in Singapore, so I hope that you have enjoy your work start again. So see you guys. Alright, bye bye.